Okay, you guys, I was wondering where I could put my camera. I feel like I'm stalking my own self, but you're in my medicine cabinet. I am using Bath & Body Works. My daughter works at Bath & Body Works now. Eucalyptus and spearmint, stress relief. The stress relief. I got the lotion. Love this stuff. But anyway, so I'm putting my makeup on. You guys don't usually get to see what my hair looks like, so this is what it looks like. This is the longest my hair has been in I don't know, 13 years. So it's been kind of exciting. I'm trying to keep it there, but it's why I have my hair up all the time because it just drives me nuts and I don't even know. So anyways, real quick, thank you, first of all, for all of y'all that continue to comment and enjoy my videos. That is super exciting. I repeat, and I feel like I sound like a broken record lately. I did not think anyone would like my videos. I didn't even I was putting them kind of just for somebody from time to time if they needed to know the size or what they look like, or just like an honest opinion, right? With no filters attached. However, the group is growing. Most recent, I asked the question on the video yesterday, if you guys would be open to me doing some cooking videos. I asked that because I love to cook. I have, you know how when you're good at something and when you suck at something, so for example, I am atrocious at baking. I can't even bake those makeshift, ready to go, pop them in the oven cookies. Okay. I burned them. It's so bad. So I don't do them, but I can cook. I am badass at cooking. I am a rock star. I actually cook. I was making breakfast burritos for our neighborhood during COVID season when everything was on quarantine. And we got up to about 160 burritos every Sunday. 325 eggs is what you use if you wanted to know. And you use about 4 pounds of bacon. The sausage, I was using, 7 rolls, 8 rolls. But anyways, and I'm actually doing them again on the 29th this month. I'm super excited. I'm going to bring it back. My birthday's on the 30th. So I thought, why not celebrate with our neighbors by feeding them breakfast? But, cooking is something, I find it therapeutic. I really enjoy it. It's something that when you do good, as a mom, and my oldest is 20, then I have 18 and 16, and then you got a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old. I'm 37. I'm exhausted more days than not. But, you sometimes worry, am I a good mom? Do I suck at it? Oh my gosh, so-and-so is so much better because they make them like Betty Crocker meals, or they read scripture with them, because I'm faith driven and I don't read scriptures. I even have a scripture on my compass and I have to Google it every time. But I love the scripture. It's powerful. However, cooking, when I'm in the kitchen, when I'm making stuff, I love the art. I love the colors. I love the textures. I certainly love the smells because I do love me to eat. But yeah, so I've done Facebook Lives in the past where I do cooking, and it's been received really well. I actually started 2 months ago a link so people could sign up to get an email with the PDF version of the recipe that I was cooking. So I do the class, not class, but whatever, if you want it to be a class. And then I would, give them the opportunity that if they wanted the recipe that way, they could totally get it. I'm going to elevate that a little bit. So I'm going to attach on the newsletter, the sign up now, that they can get the PDF and then they can get the mini video. That way you can kind of see it, because sometimes it's easier just to watch it versus reading it. I'm lazy sometimes when it comes to that stuff. But anyways, what I was going to say is this. So I'm clearly not good at doing makeup and talking on this damn thing, but whatever. So I'm going to give you guys the option. So y'all as my viewers for our very first video. So our very first cooking video together on the YouTube channel. That makes me sound antiquated. However, do you guys want me to do, I can either do chicken enchiladas with the green tomatillo sauce or with Mexican rice on the side. And I'm allowed to say Mexican because I'm Mexican. Or I can do, I can make lasagna. There's this like super easy lasagna that you can make in like 25 minutes, 30 minutes by the time you literally pull it out of the stove or oven. So I can do that. I can, if you guys want, I can do a chicken with the lemon piccata sauce if you guys want that. You let me know. Let me know what would be intriguing. I will do majority votes, right? So whichever one. If you guys vote enchiladas, lasagna, chicken, I'll do that one first. And then every month, I'll just ask you guys what you would like me to make. I'll give options because I'd love to see what you guys would like me to cook. The great thing about it is based on whatever we do on that video, I'm going to end up using that one as the recipe in my newsletter so I can send folks the video with the PDF. Is that fair? The only thing I ask is let me know once you do try it if you like it, if I was like a horrible cook and it sucked. And yeah, that's it. My makeup, I'm like being extra fancy today. I'm going with a girlfriend. I'm taking her out for her birthday to go eat bruschetta. And I don't see her till 4 o'clock. That's how excited I am about getting out and having some gal time. My makeup usually takes me 5 minutes. I think today I'm going to take a whopping 7 because I'm going to be scandalous like that. So this is what I look like when I'm not looking like a bum, right? I'm going to have my mascara on. I'm going to get my lipstick. If you guys need some good lipstick, I have tried a lot. I love Buxom, whatever. You can get it at Ulta. But this one is called Candy Coated. Candy Burris is the one that created it. It's her cosmetic line. Shanine is one of my neighbors. She started selling it, and I wanted to support her. So it's like, oh, okay. My skincare, like my face is super particular. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I've had big shit all over my chin lately, and that's because of these stupid masks make my face break out. But I'm being respectful. I understand why we're wearing them. But this lipstick, you guys, you know what I loved about it? So when it dries, this one is called Entice Me. When it dries, this lipstick will literally stay on my lips for 2 days. You don't have to wipe it off. It will not come off. It's awesome. You can if you want to, but selfishly, half the time I remember and half the time I don't. And it's awesome. It looks good. It's matted. You can add lip gloss if you want to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Right now I'm not going to because I'm not even going anywhere till 4, right? So I'm just halfway pretending that I look decent. So yeah, this is my makeup. Maybelline cheap ass mascara. I don't do anything crazy. And I top it off. I go to TJ Maxx for some of my, like the bronzers and stuff. And then I have CoverGirl. This was shocking. I used to use really expensive powder. And by really expensive, I mean, I would pay like $30, $35. This CoverGirl powder, it says Vitalist Healthy Powder. It's my second one to buy. And I'm almost done with it. I actually, super cheap, and I ended up liking it. So anyways, with that said, vote. Chicken enchiladas, lasagna, chicken with lemon piccata sauce. You let me know. In the chicken with lemon piccata, I'll do some pasta on the side. Deal with some parsley kind of rolled in. So yeah, you let me know. I hope you guys have an absolute fantastic Thursday. I'm not going to post a whole bunch of extra videos today. So this is what you get. But I will post, I'm thinking Saturday, that planner, that A5 Stalogy, so you can see what that setup's going to look like. I think Saturday is going to be the best day, and I will probably go sneak away to the park. That way you don't hear, like, the kids and just shit going crazy, because weekends are when we obviously have our kids full-time because they're not at school. So with that said, I will let you guys go. Da-da-da, my hair. If you guys want to know what my hair product is, I take maybe 10 minutes to blow dry my hair, if that. But I use Monat. If you guys want a video on Monat stuff, I have sold it for 4 years, but I actually don't even sell it. I bought it and sell it just because it's been awesome. I used to have super thinning hair, and I've never had more healthy hair than this. It's been actually super cool. So again, coming from someone that doesn't sell it, I just use it, and I have a shit ton of it. I'm looking right now at this medicine cabinet. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bottles of different stuff that I use, and I don't use them all at once. So yeah, let me know. I can do that too. Remember, if you want anything answered with regards to business, I am a business owner. I would love to help you. I do strategic planning. I can help you if you haven't created your business, but it's all floating in your brain and you want me to do an episode on that and you give me a question to answer. I can do that too. Yeah, I see you. I love you. And we will talk later on. Goodbye.